Example 12. Find the value of 13 pi by 2. 13 pi by 12. Start. Tan 13 pi by 12. ఇప్పుడు tan 13 pi by 12 equal to tan of 5 plus pi by 12 అట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు. tan of 5 plus pi by 12 అంటే pi ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అంటే థర్డ్ కోఆర్డినేట్. థర్డ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో tan పాజిటివ్ అంటే tan of 5 by 12 that equal to tan of 5 by 4 5 by 4 minus 5 by 3. 4 3 are 12. ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే 6 5 by 6. 5 by 4 minus 5 by 6. 24. 6 की 4 की 4 6. 2 2 जा 2 3 जा 2 1 जा 3 12 12 LCM 12. ఇప్పుడు 4 3 जा 3 pi minus 2 pi pi by 12 pi by 12 pi minus pi by 12 ఇది a ఇది b tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a minus tan b tan 5 by 4 minus tan 5 by 6 by 1 plus tan 5 by 4 into tan 5 by 6. Tan 5 by 4 value 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Rest of factor. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 whole square by a minus b a plus b. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది root 3 whole square minus 1 square. 3 is cancelled. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 common తీస్తాం. 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. 2 minus